Instructor exercise 199 to 200. The operations of insurance companies now cover a very extended field and are continually growing consequent upon legislative enactments and improved methods of locomotion. Full stop. There is the Workmen's Compensation Act, which deals with accidents arising out of and in the course of employment, and claims of compensation are made for minor accidents such as the dislocation of the wrist, and unhappily also for fatal accidents. Full stop. Often this compensation is paid in a lump sum in full discharge of all claims. Full stop. Evidence of a definite a contract or arrangement must be shown in the case of casual employment before compensation in the case can be claimed. Full stop. New para. Third party indemnity insurance is concerned with the liability of persons to third parties in respect of personal injury and damage to property. Full stop. The rate of premium depends on the morale of the risk. Full stop. The matter of motor car insurance, there are considerations of damage by fire and damage to tires, and in all cases the registered number of the car must be given. Full stop. Then there is indemnity for accidents in connection with lifts, cranes and hoists, in which the situation of the cranes, and in the situation of the lifts are of much importance. Full stop. New para. Personal accident insurance may be covered by an ordinary accident policy or a combined accident and disease policy. Full stop. Fire insurance covers damages to premises by fire, and among other precautions, automatic sprinklers are insisted upon where there are other than incombustible materials. Full stop. Life insurance is often associated with a medical examination, and policies are declared void, and the responsibility of the company ceases if material facts are hidden by the insured. Full stop.